Well, I just came out here on the four-wheeler and we're working with Bobcat here on my uncle's farm, and we're picking rocks. But I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do a how to operate a Bobcat Skidsteer loader, and I think it's pretty universal for other loaders, or pretty much close. But anyway, today we're going to be operating the T300 Bobcat track loader. Pallet forks put together like that for scooping rocks out of the ground. So one day, or actually next year, this will all be used for farmland, just like that is. But it did rain, so it's a bit of a mucky mess. But without further ado, let's just hop in this. There's an enclosed cab with air conditioning, which is super nice. So now that we're in here, first thing you do is put this thing down, and yeah, the Bobcat, you won't be able to operate it without that down. The seatbelt, it won't prevent you from operating it if you don't put it on. I don't put it on, but whatever. Yeah, so windshield wipers, 12-volt plug, that's your air conditioning and stuff. I think that's pretty straightforward there. You just click that once you get this all started to operate the loader. This is whether you want to use these two foot pedals here for operating the boom, or these, which are locked right now because it's not started up. But then this is for attaching the bucket and stuff, but I won't go into that. There's parking brake. It's the security system, but they don't really have a password set up, so you just kind of click run and enter. It's your throttle, and that's pretty much it. So basically, I don't use the foot pedals, but if you want to, you just press that down and you'll figure it out. It's the same controls as each of these. But yeah, so to go, obviously, just forward, and then there's a separate joint inside once you press how to operate the loader, which you can go side to side. So this is for when you go like that, and then the skid goes up, and then when you go like that, it goes down, and then this is just the boom up and down, and then it's forward. So it's pretty straightforward, and I believe these are if you have like hydraulics hooked up before. But anyway, it's thunderstorming outside, but let's just go ahead and start this up. So you just click run, and there you got some specs now, and then just press start to run. And it might be a little loud, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but yes, let's go. So as I was saying, now we got it all started up. You can let it warm up for a second if you want, and then once you want to operate it, go ahead and click that button, and now you're good to operate it. So and then to go forward, you just push like that. So that's pretty much how to operate the loader, and we'll see what kind of, if I can pick up any footage here of me using it, but it's going to be pretty tough.